Okay, you guys, I made my plate. Um, this right here is the pork sirloin, pork chop, boneless. Okay, so if you want to see how I season my pork loin, sirloin, pork chop, boneless, just keep watching this video. And I'm telling you, I tasted season. Oh my God, I got down on that season, you guys. I guarantee. Oh my goodness. And that's the mashed potato. hmm And this right here is the mac and cheese. hmm Okay, you guys. And like I said, this is gonna be a quick, short video and stuff. So, first time I ever tried to. This is a very short video. If I don't keep talking. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below if you have any question. Thumb this video up and also subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And if you guys already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. Again, I really appreciate it. God bless. Thank you guys for supporting my cooking channel. And I really appreciate it. So if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And I forgot my knife, you guys, but that's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Hopefully I could just cut it, but here, you know what? Y'all, you got a first bite. That's the mashed potato. My bite. Mac and cheese. There you guys go. Mac and cheese. Oh my God, that's good. Well seasoned. And a pork chop. Hold on for a minute, you guys. I'm going to get that first bite. And I did cook this in my air fryer, you guys. See that? That done. Go ahead. Look how, oh my goodness. Look at that. And I'm telling you, it is, I seasoned this. Look at all the season. You can tell I seasoned it real good. Oh, boy, that was so tender. Oh my God. Oh wow. I did a number on this one, on this. I guarantee. But anyway, you guys want to see how I season this chop? Just keep watching this video. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye. Well, keep watching if you want to see how I season this. And all you beginner cook out there, this is a good dinner for you guys. All right. See you in the next upload video. Bye bye. Well, I keep saying bye bye, but just keep watching this video. All right. Hello, you. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my cooking channel. This gonna be a easy dinner, especially for the beginner who's young and not just don't know what to cook when you're out doing your thing. You know, for when you're out on your own, single parents and stuff. So this is an easy dish. That for the when I say for the beginner, cause most uh, people on their own and stuff just learning how to cook or try to want to cook something real quick. But this is a good idea. You can pick this up in your local grocery store. Okay, that's the mac and cheese, and this is really good brand. Trust me, I know, cause I'm a cook. Cause I don't cook this before. Um, the mashed potato. And if you want to make some homemade gravy, or you could, they even got gravy in a jar that you could pick up at the local grocery store. This all depends on you. And and this is a really good deal, even though it's $1.05 in it. But this is the name of it. The boneless pork chop, 5 count. So when they say 5 count, it's $1. It's $1 a piece for for the boneless pork loin chop. And I'm gonna do this in my air fryer, you guys, to make it more easy as well. If you don't have an air fryer, you can also do this in your oven as well. So I just want to come back to show you guys what I'm having for dinner. Very simple, easy dinner, I guarantee. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys what kind of season that I'm going to marinate, you know, to see you guys what kind of season I'm going to put on these boneless pork. Okay, and I'll see you guys when I wash my meat. Okay, so this is the season, you guys, that I'm using. Now, only reason this say chicken, but you know what? You could use this, you know, just because it say chicken, but it got different seasons, so you could use it as well if you desire. Then I'm gonna use the onion and herb, black pepper, salt, onion powder, and garlic powder. And I already washed my meat. So that's it, and I'm just gonna, after I seeds, I put a teaspoon, maybe about a teaspoon and a half to my pork chop, and that is it. So I will see you guys when I make my plate. This is gonna be a short video, but the main ingredient is the season that I'm using. Okay, alrighty.